guys, this is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. I just thought I'd do a quick video because one of the most common questions that we get asked all the time is how we can speed up an old laptop or a desktop, maybe a few years old and it's just starting to drag its feet a little bit. And the immediate answer that I always give is a solid state upgrade, also known as a SSD solid state upgrade. It makes an astronomical difference pretty much regardless of how old the machine is. It does also depend on how much memory is in the machine as well, so sometimes it's a good idea to do that. So I thought I'd demonstrate on a 7-year-old Samsung laptop, which I'll show to you in just a second, the difference between the boot up time, just it fully loading. You'll notice along the bottom the taskbar whether the system is fully loaded into Windows 10. Both the traditional hard drive and the SSD are running Windows 10, as you can see. What I do is I simply open the Chrome browser, just do a quick Google search of BBC News, click on the link, and then you can see how long that takes. But the boot up time is massively different. It really is. And depending on how old the laptop is, this can be as quick as 8 seconds. We've done many upgrades where a machine was taking about 5 minutes to boot up, and then it takes about 8 to 12 seconds, so it really does make a big difference. You'll also see that I very quickly browse into the File Explorer to just have a quick browse around the computer as you would do, and then have a quick scroll up and down the Start menu and then shut it down. So it's just a quick demonstration to show you what difference it really does make to an old machine, because a lot of people just think, oh, it's an old machine, I'll just buy a new one and throw this one away. And a solid state upgrade can be expensive, however, it is cheaper than buying a new laptop. And if you were to go and buy a new laptop, say £500, £600, you know, a fairly decent budget laptop, and you were to upgrade the hard drive in your old computer to an SSD, if you were to put them side by side, you'll find that the one with the SSD will actually be quicker. So it may be an expensive upgrade, however, it is a cheaper option and does make an absolutely astronomical difference, because a laptop brand new with a solid state upgrade, you are talking upwards of around £1,000. But obviously you'll end up with a very quick machine for that reason. The Samsung that I'm using is an i5 Samsung. Like I say, it's 7 years old and it's got 6 GB of RAM. Have a look for yourself, see what you think, comment below, please like and subscribe this video, and of course share. I hope to speak to you all very soon. Have a wonderful day. That is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com, and I'll see you very soon.